I would love to start off the conversation and keep it flowing. Does anybody have a question? Not all at once. Talk to me. Questions. There we go.
Hello. I just want to say that when you have the wrong relationship in your life, you will have it like you will be disappointed. So how to have the same energy to meet new people?
So your question is, what's your name?
In'am.
Anam.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. So your question is, how do you find the right energy to build new relationships?
Yeah, because I've been disappointed by a lot of my relationships. So I don't have the same energy.
It's almost like you're losing faith in.
Yes. So how to have it back?
Oh, you got to remember that each and every, there's new opportunities there. Right? You know I'm telling you what you already know. Right? So, for example, have you met, I'm going to put you on the spot. Have you been here a couple of days? Have you been, okay.
Yeah.
Have you met new people?
Yes.
How have the relationships been thus far? Are they dynamic? Are they filling with new energy? Are you saying, you know what, I have new faith in the relationships that I'm building?
Yes, but I'm always scared to have new relationships.
Why are you scared?
Because I don't know. I don't have the same energy.
You don't have the same energy for it. You ready? I need you to try something new.
Okay.
You got me? I'm talking straight to you, right? So you asked this question. I'm here at this moment. You asked me. This is the moment, so I'm going to talk directly to you. I need you to step out of your comfort zone. Got me? Feel me? There's people here that want to connect with you, but our perspective on what you can find, on what we can find, dictates what we find, right? So if I walk in and I say, like you say, I'm scared to build new relationships, I don't know if I'm going to find anything, guess what I'm going to find? Are you rocking with me? But if I step in with a new sense of optimism and a spirit that says, you know what, there's going to be people that I can connect with in a unique and real way, what do you think I'm bound to find? Talk to me. Talk to me. I know. Talk to me.
Yes.
Take your time. It's all good. This is your moment.
Okay. Maybe I will try to do that.
Can we get rid of the maybe? Can we try it?
I will try.
You will try. That's
Yes.
all we can do, right? That's all we can do.
Yes.
This idea of inspiration is interesting, right? It comes from this word, the Latin word spirare, right? Which means to breathe life into. So when I'm discouraged or I'm in your shoes, because I felt it, we've all felt that. Sometimes we just need a word to remind us, no, there's good out there. We got it. Maybe you just needed that, right?
Yes.
I need you to try.
I will.
You'll try.
I will.
That's all I'm asking. You got it. Can y'all give her a
Thank
round
you.
of applause? Can you give her a round of applause? Can you give her like some real energy like she's going to try? Oh, you guys can be better. Can you give her some energy like go try? That's for you.
Thank you.
That's for you. Any questions? Yes. Try.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Isaac, I just would like you to just give a bit of a background. I know it's probably a long journey. Like you said, it was winding.
Yes.
When did that switch happen? What was that pinnacle for you when you said you graduated from a Ivy League university and then you were unemployed? What was that switch that changed from an athlete to, being at a university in a country that's not your own, not your own culture? but I'm going to inspire the youth. What was that switch?
Sure. So I graduated 2013, unemployed, tried to figure out what was going on, and I had a friend who gave me a book. The book was called Never Eat Alone by Keith Ferrazzi. And it was talking about how to build professional relationships in order to help yourself both personally and professionally. I read the book and I said, you know what? I need to do more work in terms of getting out of my social comfort zone. I was working at Princeton University and I created a mentoring program. I loved connecting with the youth. We were talking about networking. We were talking about authentic leadership. We're talking about how to connect in unique and real ways. I would have a group just like this, 30 guys. They all look just like me. I said, hey, this is what we need to do to take advantage of the opportunity. Let's go get it. That's my energy. Let's go get it. And they'd be like, I got it, right? So that energy inspired me. And in that work, I was finding my passion and my path, and I had no idea. That's why when I talk to young people, I say, wherever direction you're going, lean yourself into it, because you never know where it'll take you. I'm speaking in a new country to some amazing people, 9,000 miles away from home. I will never, ever in my life take this for granted, right? But what I'm learning on my journey is that when you lean into who you are, your authentic self, you never really realize what door will open. So when I talk about the youth and you're saying, what was the change? The change was I decided to give more value than I was taking to the people around me, and doors began to open. So when I talk about build relationships, I say this concept over and over again that says 51-49. Be the 51 in the room. That simply means that I'm going to provide more value than I take. And what often happens in your journey when you provide more value than you take, you provide more value than you take, and you provide more value than you take, new doors open and people are attracted to you. Because now you're a person who is not only interesting, but interested. So I was watching this happen in real time, and I said, I can't just be selfish in my own journey. I have to share what I know when I know it. I tell my mom's story all the time because I grew up with a youngest of 7. So I had people who literally poured into me moment after moment. So when they poured into me, I turned and said, who can I pour this into? So when I learn something, I have to tell somebody else because it burns inside of me. That's how I'm wired. So the moment that changed for me was 2 things to answer your question. I think when we talk about passion, I think it's underrated. I think it's an intrinsic thing that comes from the inside of you that says, you know, this is your gift, your purpose, your path. Lean into it. And if you lean into it, doors of opportunity will open that you never thought were possible. Oftentimes when you try to think it through, and I'm saying, nah, open yourself and open your passion and see what comes to you. Right? Open yourself and open your and see what comes to you. You know, don't put a limit on it. And I think when that happens over and over again, you can't even fathom the possibilities, right? And that's why I talk to youth the way that I do and stay inspired and try to, because I know how it's worked for me and I've seen it work for others, and I want to continue doing that. Thank you for the question. Any other questions? Ideas, personal, anything? My man. I love the suit, brother. You look great.
Thanks. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Isaac, I really love you. You know, the way you inspire the people. Trust me. Right now, I'm just shivering inside because I don't have the confidence to just talk to you. But I want you to give me a reason that everyone here sitting right now can do it. Give us that power so that we can do it, you know?
I'm going to tell you right now.
Yeah, really appreciate it.
Yeah, you hit me. I appreciate you, brother.
Give me a reason. Like, the thing is, I actually cannot talk to, just come over there and talk to people. I want you to, just one specific reason that can come in our mind, and just give that specific energy to the audience. I want you to give me that one reason, please. I really appreciate it.
You gave it to me. You already got it. Talk to me. What do you need?
That energy that you have.
Yeah.
I want to have the same energy.
Yeah.
So I can come up over there and just talk to people, right?
Yeah.
That's what I need. Give me.
I got you.
You got me?
We're going to have a moment.
I really appreciate that.
Two things. Whatever you do, lean into it and love it. Never judge your path if you're leaning into it and you're doing it for the right reasons. Be authentically yourself in everything that you do. Right? Don't worry about judgment. Don't worry about anything else. Worry about leaning into something that you do authentically. And what I'm learning is when you lean in authentically, you won't catch everybody, but you will catch one. And that's all you need to do. The job isn't to talk to everybody. I'm not trying to connect. I just wanted that. You just made my entire day. I did my job because we connected. So when you ask what you do, just lean into whatever you do. Everyone here does something different. The only thing that I'm here for is that energy. I'm saying put energy behind what you do. That's it. Love what you, remember your why. I'm the son of Robina Serwanga. Right? A single mother who raised 7 children. She didn't go to college, but she saw her baby graduate from the #1 university in the United States. I represent her everywhere I go. And I think when people find their why, lean into their why. Who are the people that you do it for? It's not just for you. It might be for other people. That's what gives you energy. Right? That's what gives you energy. Maya Angelou's quote, I come as one person, but I stand as 10,000, means that you're not just listening to me, you're listening to the people who've paved the way for me to be here. Right? Has someone helped you be who you are today?
Well, I try to build myself up.
Yes.
So they are my support, you know. They are my support. They're the backbone.
But has someone done something for you to let you be the person you are today?
Yes, my parents, for sure.
That's it. And when you carry that in your heart, you're good. Always. That's my belief.
Bless your mom. I'm pretty sure she's
Yeah.
gonna be proudest right now.
Thank you.
And I really appreciate you coming over here and just guiding the young youth how to just, you know, build things up, how
Yeah.
to take step, and I think how to be confident about yourself
Yeah.
and how to love yourself.
That's right.
I think that's the main concern in the society right now because people, they don't love themselves. They think that people gonna judge them and their confidence get down, you know, they get like self-esteem, you know, they're gonna go through anxiety, a lot of depression as well. I think I was one of those person as well. But end of the day, I think you usually have to get up. The thing is that the change gonna be from within yourself. You have to go, get up and do it. If you really want to do it, you have to do it. In it. Now the thing is that I went back to the YouTube because I was depressed because I don't have a good career right now. I'm just struggling right away. So I just went to the YouTube. I just checked all the motivational quotes, you know. I watched successful people, like how they didn't have anything in their life and how they are right now. And I think I really appreciate since the first day I saw you, because I never knew. Trust me, to be honest. Don't be upset about it. Don't be mad. The first day I came over here, I saw you. I researched, you know, I just did some research, and trust me, I really love you, man. I love you. You know, a big hands to this guy, trust me, because I think he motivated me right now. And bless you. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
I appreciate you, brother. Man. I think we got a couple more minutes.
3 more minutes.
Yeah. You made me shed a tear on camera, brother. Come on now. It's my Friday. This is my weekend. I'm not supposed to. Come on, man. Sheesh.
Hi, I wanted to ask you, because you really inspire me, I wanted to ask you how you got so comfortable with the... Okay.
I appreciate you, brother. Thank you.
Hi, you really inspire me, so I wanted to ask you how you got so comfortable with being your true self, showing your energy, showing the real you, without the fear of judgment.
What's your name?
I'm Leanne.
Leon?
Yeah.
A pleasure to meet you. Give me the question one more time.
It's like, how did you get so comfortable with being the true you, showing all your energy, without the fear of judgment, without people thinking you're too much, or just the fear of judgment in general?
That's a good question, because I am too much for some people, so that's just what it is. But the truth is, our ability to be ourselves wherever we are, I think that you'll attract what you're supposed to attract, and that's that, right? So the goal is, I say this over and over and over again because I try to stay by it. I don't try to reach everyone. I just try to reach that person that goes, I feel you.
I feel you.
That's it. And I think each and every one of us in our path, if we can learn the power of authenticity, which means that you have there's a voice, you were given the voice for a reason. You were given your path for a reason. You look like yourself for a reason. You walk into the room in the way in which you do for a reason. You connect with the people for a reason. You dress for a reason. There's a person that they see it. They see it. I saw some young men out yesterday, Sudanese men, and they saw me, and they most, and there was a group, and I was like, oh man, they got dark skin just like, they were like my brother, and I was like, I got you, and I had a connecting moment. It was we saw each other, and sometimes we have to be the example, right? And be true to who we are, regardless of the external circumstances, regardless of what we think someone else will. We have to walk into that room, right? Because if we don't walk into that room confidently in the right way, then I'm not paving the path right for the next man up. Got me? So there's going to be young people that look just like you, that look up to you. Do you have younger siblings?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. How much younger?
7 years.
Okay, so I'm the youngest of 7. I copied my siblings I looked at them all the time.
Yeah.
Dressed like them, walked like them, talked like them, right?
Yeah.
So your ability to be your authentic self is inspiring those people. Do it for them.
Thank you so much. That was beautiful.
Yeah, you got it. All right, we're 1 minute over. I did my time. Boom. Thank you all so much for being here and the amazing energy and man. Woo. Thank you guys.